Back with another video at the 2-unit apartment building. Right now, as y'all can see, we on the third level, which is the second unit, is duplexed up. So we in one of the bedrooms, and as y'all can see, nice little sitting area, closet over here. So we got everything fully framed up. This is 1 bedroom. Upstairs, we got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Over here, we got our fire rated wall, because it's a structure on the other side. Everything framed up. It's the second bedroom, nicely framed up, as you can see. Got our window. We got our truss system installed. Still got to get the roof finished up, but looking good. Closet. Nice headers up there. Plywood laid down, pretty good. So this is 1 bathroom. This 1 bathroom. We'll have a pocket door. Now this gonna be the master. So if you go in there, you'll have that bathroom, but this will be 1 bathroom for the other 2 bedrooms. It's kind of large, y'all, so just bear with me. So you'll come in here. We have our shower set up, toilet, window. This would be the master room over here. Y'all can see we got a couple windows in here. 1 window right there, 1 window right there, closet, and then we're gonna have our master shower right here. So this is the primary, or the master bedroom, I would say. A lot of space, a lot of space. We got our plumbing wall, as you can see, our plumbing wall over there. So it's nice. This is the second unit, which is duplexed up. This is going downstairs to the first floor. Got our LWL beams protecting the stairs. Stairs looking good, and you come down to an open area. This will be your living room, and that'll be your kitchen. That'll be your kitchen. We got it boarded up right now, but everything framed up on the second floor. Wait. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lamont Lashley Jr. I'm a social impact real estate developer and a 7-figure entrepreneur. In the last few years, I've been able to scale my real estate portfolio to over 30 rental properties valued at over $6 million in just a few short years, all by leveraging credit. I've started a community, and I want to invite you to, for less than $2 a day. All you have to do is text the word group to the number below, and I'll send over the details for you. If you find yourself struggling with removing late payments, collection, charge-off, bankruptcies, and different things like that, or you find yourself having difficulty getting approved for funding, let me work with you so that we can help you reach your desired results. So other than that, I don't want to hold you up. I want you to get back to the video, and I look forward to working with you in the near future. We're gonna have a refrigerator, stove, a nice island going to come out. We don't know if we're gonna do a fireplace or we just gonna paint the whole wall a different color, like an accent color. But we're gonna stop at this old chimney right here, right? Large open spaces, y'all can see. We're gonna have a nice railing system that's gonna showcase over there. So on the first floor is 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom and a utility room. So overall, we're gonna have 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms in this unit on the second floor. The other video, you will be able to see the first unit, the first floor downstairs. So I'm gonna show y'all the second unit, then I'm gonna show y'all the back, the outside. So we got a little water in here that's gonna dry. Got our utility room. We framing in the doors right now. 2 bedrooms. And what a lot of people don't do, we use this extra space right here that people often lose out. So we got a closet right there for that bedroom, and a closet right here for this bedroom. But giving them that extra storage when you're dealing with like tenants or properties, think about the storage that they need, because that could be a big help. You can put comforters, shoes, anything you want up there, So that's some things that we keep taking into consideration. So like I said, framing up the bedroom. This is gonna be the bathroom. We'll have a nice tub, toilet, vanity, nice window. And this is the third bedroom, the second bedroom on the second floor. So this project, the updates is doing pretty good. Down here is the first floor right? So the owner's unit will be upstairs, and you'll be able to rent this out. This will be your 2-bed, 1-bathroom, right? Like I said, you can check out the other video to check that out. I'm gonna go out here, get y'all some updates to what we got going on outside. So on the side, acid washed it, everything came out clean. We still got to do some plaster. Still, of course, got to get a lot of the landscape in order. We've been having a lot of trash weather, right? And make sure y'all be sure to drop any questions or concerns y'all got up in the chat. You know, like, subscribe. It really helped the channel grow. We got our stones in, so we just got to frame up the window. And you can see up there, we got another stone. These are the bathroom windows. So everything look nice. Just got to get ready for the siding. As you can see, the backyard, it's a mess, but a lot of progress. A lot of progress been made back here. We're gonna end up changing the siding, getting a new window, touching up a couple shingles. We got our post in the back. We got a couple posts because when we finna put the concrete, you wanna have your post in already. We got our post in over there too. But as y'all can see in the back, we acid washed everything. We got our stones in for the first door. Got our stones in for the windows. Everything been completely just acid washed. We still got a tuck pointed, but just giving y'all an update of where we at right now. So y'all can just see everything. Still got to break all this up, do the footings for the porch and stuff like that too. But just letting y'all see the job site. Check it out. See how it is. Give y'all some updates. We got this side over here. Our masonry guys definitely got these couple windows already put in pretty good. So we got our stones installed just today. Had to cut these windows in, but you know, we got our lintels. The lintels just was underneath that, but you know, acid washed it. We got the plaster. We're gonna do concrete all the way through. It's gonna be concrete all the way through. Yeah, so you know, for the people that's new here, we got this property for about $28,000. We're gonna put about $300,000 in it, so we all in about $330,000 or so. We're gonna list it for around $525,000, somewhere around there. Comps is looking good in the area. Let me show y'all the front real quick. Make sure you got your permits up. Always keep your permits up. Nice sign. Yep. Yep. So we still got to tuck point the front. It's gonna turn out nice though. Still got to tuck point the front. Probably paint that white. I'm definitely gonna put some siding in over there, but you know, we're gonna do all concrete from here all the way around. You know, we don't want to mess with that grass and deal with all that. So we're just gonna do concrete. Called the gas company, got that set up. Got our meter bar looking good. So we moving, y'all. The weather's picking up. So things we got to do is definitely get ready to have HVAC. They already came through and, you know, just looked at everything. So they should start working within the next week or so, getting our mechanicals in. You always want to, if you can, you know, start with HVAC, then plumbing and electrical. In that order is what I recommend is what's best, right? And then we're going to finish up the roof and the siding before the rain that comes up in April. That's super, super important, getting that in order. But, man, everything doing pretty good. Excited right now. Some other updates we got. We was awarded 2 new lots. So I'm definitely going to show y'all the new construction journey that's coming up. We also should be closing on another lot a month out, within less than a month from now. We got another 2-unit rehab that we're going to be working on. And then we still got a commercial property where I got 3 storefronts coming up. And I think we're trying to get you know, really change that neighborhood, change that area. So thinking about putting a cafe over there. Y'all let me know. You know, where the children can network, you know, and really, you know, meet and do things, you know, that's different. You know what I'm saying? So that's one of the focus points that we got going on over there. And a few loft-style apartments up top as well. So, you know, drop any questions, any concerns below. And I will be looking forward to see y'all on the next one. Be sure to like the channel, subscribe, drop any questions you have below. And I will see y'all on the next one. Let's get it.